Yes, you're welcome back. We are going to look at some functions used to manipulate strings. Okay, we just looked at data type, string, and the others. So we want to look at some functions, some inbuilt functions, some inbuilt PHP functions. Okay, one can use to manipulate strings, data types. Okay, there are, apart from a user-defined function, that is a function you can define for yourself, by yourself, and you use it in your coding. There are so many already defined function, okay, in PHP. Okay, you can use the function to do a lot of things. Okay, so here we're going to look at few string functions. Okay, a few functions you can use to manipulate string. Okay, for now we're going to look at one or two. So subsequent times, as we move on, we begin to use others. There are many of them anyway. Okay, all we need to just use one or two. Then once you know how to use it, then it will be much easier. So by the time we start full project, it will make more sense to you. Okay, but now let's quickly look at some of them. Number one, we are going to look at this one is so important. String len, string, that strlen function. That is this function, strlen. Okay, that's a function. This string len is used to get the length, okay, of a string. What do I mean by length? As in the number of character a string have. A string has. Okay. For example, let's check this. Let me check this my birthday. Let's see a number of number of characters here. I will copy this my birthday. I will add it here. Let me remove this var-dom. There are a lot here that will confuse us. Okay, I think nothing is confusing anybody. Let me remove this one too. All these ones are data type. Okay, good. Now this string right now, my birthday, let's see the number of characters it's going to display for us. Okay, we can just say echo because you're going to echo it. Okay, all right, now let's see what we are going to get now. You run it, you see you get 33. If you count this, let's see what we are going to get. This number, the character it's counting, it's also counting spaces. I don't even have strength to count. Okay, we just know that it doesn't just count the characters, it counts all the characters and the spaces. Okay, so that is it. That is the string. Okay, now the next thing we are going to check, we've checked this string length. Let's check str word count. That's str_ word count. Okay, this is another important string function in PHP. Okay, this is used to count the number of words in a string. Okay, let's check it. I will save and run it. Let's see what we get. Now six words. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get that? So that is the string word count. That's okay. Let me take few more functions. Let's check string reverse, as in string rev, something like this, strlev. So this one will reverse the string. Just let's do it so I understand what I mean by reverse. You go here now, you click here. Do you see? Everything I wrote reversed. You won't understand it again. Okay, so that is it. It started this way. My birthday is 14th March 1985. You see, That is string reverse. Okay, that's a PHP inbuilt string function as well. Let me also check string position, okay, as in HTTPS. Let me see what we get. String position gives the position of a particular word indicated in this in the form. Okay, let's say we want to check the position of mash. What you are going to do is that you come here, put comma, then you put mash. Okay. Please, I want to tell you something. A variable is case sensitive. I mean, I've never said it. It's so important to know. A variable is case sensitive. For example, this variable you are seeing, if I write my underscore birthday elsewhere in capital, it will not recognize this. It will not recognize it as this particular variable. Okay, because this variable is in small letter. So wherever you want to call this variable, it must also be in small letter. So important. Okay, maybe let's try it before. Okay, let's just check string position, then we'll later try it. Okay, let's check string position. You go back here. You see number position 22. If you count from here down to this match, you get 22 okay, you can do it at your free time. That's by the way. But let's just make this capital. Let's make this my birthday capital, my birthday. Okay, let's save. Let's run it. This is what we get. Undefined variable, my birthday. It is telling you that it didn't know what the birthday you're talking about, that this variable is not declared. Okay, but we have my birthday. The reason is the case sensitivity. You get that? So for it to understand the variable you're talking about, it must have the same case. If your variable is in capital, you must make it, you must call it in capital as well, exactly the way you wrote it. Do you understand? This thing is so important, okay, because sometimes when you are dealing with a large block of code, you become confused when something like this happens. You'll be confused. If you don't know all these small rules, you become very confused. Okay, case sensitivity is very important. You have to check it. Okay, that is it. And I would advise you to avoid this problem. Declare all your variable in small letter. Are you getting me? All your variables should be in small letter, so that wherever you want to call it, you know that you are also typing small. You don't even need to go and check whether it is in small and capital. Okay, because you've made it a point of duty to declare all your variable in small letters. Okay, small letters. Thank you so much. So that is I think we've done. Okay, let me see if I can actually do one more. Let me add let me do a string replace, string underscore replace function. This one is used to replace a particular word. Okay, yeah, this string underscore replace is used to replace a particular word in a variable, in a string. Okay, so this is how it goes. I'll have to delete this, and this I have to make it small letter before, as it used to be small letter. Okay, good. Now you come here, the first thing you're going to type is you're going to type the word you want to replace. Let's say I want to replace date. I want to use it, maybe day, call it day. I will just type in the particular word I want to replace, then put comma, then in quotes again you type in what you want to replace it with. Okay, so then put comma, space. That's all. So what you just did is you are asking PHP to change whenever you want to echo this, that it should change the date, this date to day. So it should be my birthday is 14th March instead of date. Do you get that? So let's try it. When you try it, just come here. Okay, you see that my birthday is 14th March 1985. You can try another. Let's say you change this to let's say you change March to change it to, let's say, December. Okay, March to December. Okay, let's see what we get. Come here, you click, you see my birth date is 14 December 1985. So that is it for now. So that is the function you can use to manipulate a string. Thank you so much. There are more anyway, but let's make it do with this one for now. Thank you.